we have one dream: to welcome a wider world and bring people together through technology. On the road that SMEC is creating, there is a world where it is one for all and all for one. After spinning out from Samsung Heavy Industries, we went through many changes. At SMEC, we are constantly challenging ourselves. This is the starting point of our potential. We research, develop, and manufacture countless semiconductor, machine tools, and robotics products. To open more doors, we expanded our production capacity and technology lineup, reaching towards the development of molding, robots, precision machining, and integrated multi-axis machines tools. In terms of hardware design and control technology, our unrivaled technical expertise and know-how sets us apart from our competitors. The power and craftsmanship of SMEC's machining centers increase customer satisfaction. With its high-speed, high-precision cutting capabilities, various spindle configurations, and powerful cutting capabilities, it can quickly meet diverse customer requirements. SMEC's technology never stops evolving. Based on countless hours of research and development, the SMEC Machining Center employs roller guides to create a compact yet powerful solution that offers high-speed and high-precision machining, capable of producing high-quality molds such as those used for aircraft components and impellers. Speed, precision, power, convenience. Through the addition of advanced technologies and our passion inside each and every single SMEC machine, those qualities are taken up to the next level, promising the best speed and productivity in the world. SMEC's turning centers help to realize the dreams of our customers. Superior structural design and precision cutting, realizing heavy-duty and high-precision cutting simultaneously for large turning centers. SMEC never stops innovating to provide customized products with optimized technology. Systems and structures suitable for automation lines for automotive and electrical components. High-precision machining with maximum productivity and convenient operation. Go from raw material to completed component with a single setting. Simultaneously offering high-speed cutting, technology, and structure optimized for automation and reliability. We have grown through constant challenges. As we sought a path towards greater value through convergence. And as we built up partnerships with leading global companies, we saw a bigger world. Within the heart of countless IT devices, speeding cars, and soaring airplanes, SMEC Technology, building your path. Creating better communication technology, our smart innovations break down the world's barriers. With systems, hardware, and software technology, we provide broadcast communications convergence and fixed mobile convergence solutions. That are easier, more precise, and much safer. Our technology brings the world closer together, opening the doors to a smarter tomorrow. We do not shy away from investing in innovation. Our aspiration for innovation is unlimited, and we lead the market through constant research. By actively pioneering new global markets, our superior technology has grabbed the attention of international investors. Over time, as a value-adding global partner, SMEC will continue to grow and usher in a new future. We step forward towards our dream. Towards a world that is one for all for one. Our endeavors will bring about greater happiness to the world.